Included in the package are a 30-page user manual as well as a quick start guide. You can use the quick start guide to set up the system. In this video, I will walk you through how to initialize the NVR, how to set up time, the wireless internet connection, the camera, as well as the app on your smartphone or tablet. When you first turn on the monitor, it will ask you to put in a password. The password should be 1 to 20 digits. It can be letters and/or numbers. Do not use symbols or space in your password. Here, in the example, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4. You will need to type in your password again to confirm password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please make sure you write down the password somewhere. This password is needed when you set up the remote app on your smartphone or on your tablet for the first time. If you forget the password, you can reset the system. Instructions are in the quick start guide. Make sure you press OK to proceed. Time setup. Touch the screen to see the main menu on the bottom of the screen. Select the house icon to go to the main menu. Select System Setup, and then go to Time Setup. If you choose to sync time with the server for the system, you need to choose the correct time zone where the system is used. If you choose to manually set up the time, you can enter the date and time here. There is also an option to quickly turn on and off the daylight savings time, shown as summertime on the monitor. Wireless internet setup. Touch the screen to see the main menu on the bottom of the screen. Select the house icon to go to the main menu. Select System Setup. Click into Wireless Internet and go to Hotspot List to choose a Wi-Fi network for your device. It will ask you to enter your Wi-Fi passcode. Camera setup. Before installing the cameras permanently, please test the cameras with the NVR first to make sure they're working properly. Then position the camera where you want it and plug it into power. Check the video on the NVR. If your setup requires the signal to be transmitted through some kind of obstacle, you can use the included antenna extension to boost wireless signal. Please note that if you purchase additional cameras not included in the original kit, you will need to pair them with the NVR. Detailed instructions are in the user manual. App setup. Download the app WNVR Pro from either the App Store or Google Play Store to your smartphone or tablet. Launch the app. Allow notifications. Click the plus sign to add a device. There are two ways to add the device. You can click LAN scan. The app will automatically search for devices connected to the same network. You can also click Add Device UID. Click on the icon on the right side to scan the barcode on the back of your NVR monitor to quickly add the device. You can rename under device name, but please do not change username. Then enter password, the same one that you used when you initialized your NVR monitor. The example I used was 1234, so here I will enter the same password in the app. Make sure to tap Complete on the upper right-hand corner to finish setting up.